Alright guys, first spin, and here we go. Got the bonus feature. There was a bonus that was not spun, played off of here. It had a nickel denomination, and my first spin, and I just hit the hold'em spin. Not real big numbers up there, but we'll take them. We've got nickel bet, $1.25 bet, nickel denom. You ready to do some spinning and winning, guys? Let's see what we can do. Here we go. Now the major on this machine is $656. That would be nice to drop in there right now. All right, come on. Get something. Oh man, we got one spin. Come on. Drop them. Okay, guys. Well, we got a first spin bonus. It's all right. We got a little bit. You know, not $1 million, but $30. Can't argue that when you're spinning and winning. There we go. We didn't get a coin show, but it's adding up. All right. Don't forget, guys, to smash that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Click on the bell icon for further notification of videos. And of course, leave me a message. Always fun to converse back and forth. Thanks for coming along on this journey with me. Yeah, I think I'm going to help it out here. There we go. $30. Let's give it a couple backup spins. Ooh, thought maybe we were going to get the bonus. Alright, come on. Yeah. Got some queen too. Wouldn't figure. Well, those chips just came up too easy that first game. Come on, let's do this again. Give me the briefcase. Just drop the major here. This is really simple to do. Oop, got some wilds, got some cars. Would have liked to have that on 5 across, but we got 4. That'll add up a little bit. Okay, we're still ahead. Yeah. 1250 line hit, that'll work. Keeps us in business. Ooh. Come on, briefcases. Rather have the hold spin, but let's get the hold and spin inside the briefcase bonus. Shoot, that mini's worth 50. Come on. Shoot, 4 of them. A little bit of roulette wheel, but nothing with it really. There we go. Yep. Money back. Okay, switch back over here. Still got about $10 to go from where we started. Come on, let's hit this. Shoot. There's the other briefcase we needed. There we go, guys. A little bit of live play and look at those numbers. This is going to be a big one, guys. We already got 62.50 sitting there right up at 12.50. This is going to be a good spin. We're at nickel denom, $1.25 bet. This is what we're playing for. We got a 15,600 grand, a 656 major. It can drop that major and minor and mini all at one time. So we got a 250 minor and a $50 mini. I'm getting something with words on this one, guys. I can just feel it. Let's go for a spin and let's do some winning. Here we go, guys. There we go. That's another $12.50. Something with words coming up. Hang on, we're getting there. Okay, here we go. Here comes the major. Okay. Something, save us. Come on. Oh, still going to be a good one, guys. Just let this add up. You ready? You pull back a little bit so we can see this full view. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. 141.25 and a big coin show. That's the way you spin and win, Blain style. I would like to add a few more added in there. Like 5 of them and won the grand, but you know, that didn't happen. We didn't get money. We didn't get the major. We didn't get the minor. But we got 141.25 spinning and winning. And I'm grateful for that. We got 30 before that. And we're having an adventure. And it says we are a winner. So, always remember, you are a winner, baby. Countdown's going pretty quick. So we'll take a few backup spins and see what happens. Maybe like about 5, and if nothing happens, we'll move on down the way and call this a profit. Sat down with 70, and right now we are at 213. So let's play this down a little bit. All right, come on. Back to back, hit it. Oh, that would have been fun. Had the back-to-back bonuses before. There's the coins we needed last time. Okay, let's do it again. Alright, where are we at? 209? Alright, I'm going to play this. We'll do some live play, guys. Let's play this back down to say... Come on, hit it. We'll play it back down to 200. That still leaves me with 130 profit. A little bit. A couple more spins here. I'm good. Should have taken this up to a dime denomination. Maybe we'll just after this hit. This is going to give us a little bit to play on. Alright, didn't give us, give us $5. Let's take 2 spins and a dime denom. We're going to do 250, okay? That'll be that $5. Here we go. Come on, hit it. A little bit. Here we go again, guys. Hit it. Oh, that would have been beautiful. Do another one. Okay, guys, we've got $2.52 left. Let's do another 250 spin and hit that. Nope. All right, guys. Thanks for coming on this adventure. It's been fun. And a nice big bonus there for the hold and spin. And we got to play some dime denom, 250 bets. Not quite in the cards there for those 4 spins, but you know, you never know. So it happens when you're spinning and winning. Thanks for riding along, guys, with me on this adventure. Have a good one. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Become my next sub, and we'll see you on the flip side. Keep spinning and winning, guys. Cheers.